nkokora bali embroidery korosya bali chisweta nabo igokobeka amali imeyo muchukisi ejuere angine supermarket ya Shivling gusumwa kiresi mirut ase namba enoti isano na ibere enoti isato kianda isano na isato isano nemo enoti Peak Uniforms and Sports Center edukeyemo asoko nyorachi uniforms chonzi nebintu byogukorera chigosori Ndizi TV obwansu bwomugusi
Monchumu ligereria yaragirense yemo yabono margoba chinga kichinde na inde kukwarigania semesa ya manganama ya nyari kukumanya gati yali tuwabire toko kwariganiria kurwase mambia yali ngentambe kachinse chigobono chiyabono margoba lituko nilia Jumatano stariki 13 omutinyokano mwaka wechiri bubere na merongebere nebere inyirane lituke limuryoka maigaje kiamma kia UDA gochi okorobo choli bwaime gosi nominations abwa ankyo haichi county emeronge tato na isano na yemuna boge kiamwa kia UPA meye county ya Nyamira ligoli tukuli ya lero wa ikirana aso mwamo asiganga yogo chikumubwatsi omo governor we county yo aso kuiruki wandera ye kiame kyo busyo wobochori obonene buli busyo ayo amo nayanda mange na kwariga tumanya senchira yobo ikiranu nyale ko sansamuranira aseriboa iritira nenchi nkruko Vincent Onyancha Tiga tumule kirensemo ya siasa kubwata kanabuna oyo no mwako siasa gatia umenye kurwa se bunge ya Nyaliba lichache kutoka imeye kaunti ya Kisii nigoba ganirio yokoligie kuro kyobo jumbe kurwa senseme yo Chris Bichage koiwe ticket ya ODM maiga yobo chori yoboke nigoba tebirubuna onye Chris Bichage tali kuchikoiwe ticket ya ODM nigoba kuchikunganya kurwa se kiame kyo na kwebwata ni ya se kiame kingao omulikito miridi mumanye nigekirana senseme yo na gotwari ganirio roboti rokobwatia
Obachori bo mwakoyo nigo bono bogenderete koba angekigima abo ase abakuboria ebirogo ao nigo bono bairobeire eliogo chia konyora obobui abamenyi be bunge ya Nyaliba lichache nigo bono be murunganirie asekelia bagoteba buna oboene bwokoena na etiket ya ODM tibwarengeo ase bono bakuboria ekiama gya ODM komwa Chris Bichage etiket yeyo
toga korobo chorwa renge bwe women lab omo bunge no MCA toga chora ba bunge twatake ona kurwara misi twabere to kwanyara machigo ayu torara wange to mwezo katiwa kera Chris na marata ndi chikura aso bunge toga tarachiana ali rugoya ali kubwati ngo katwale ngo serenena kurweli kwanja kanyora machigo ani
abantu baminto bakurira abantu baminto iga chikura tuagite kigoli angeli ya ramisi ntumo ndo tuachorete Chris Bichage na ende ne era tomanya tenga ne rolegeti ngoyo kale kumupinga era ntundu mumanyeti Chris Bichage ne era bara akole mirimo
aramisi ntuagite chikura tugachora omubungo ito ogototenera Nyaliba lichache Chris Bichage koigerero igamu na ndu abangina tuyimugeta asobonge tugachogora umurai ndoma etiki kiaba korugorogo chance korwaso umurai omoneno itoraira morodinga ngikiaba ngepatie ya ODM Kisii County ndora ranga certificate injirule ndora manyango muchando no rori ora se Kisii County.
Abamenyi abo batagokiri kurwa obochori obokebwe kiama gia ODM gokorwa ewiki yaeta nigo bagocereirie guchikong'anya kurwa ekiama ekyo bichage atairi etiketi.
Inje igongi janite sana ekere omugaga Raila Amolo Odinga ararengeri ko umuntu mwa etiketi na kirisi bichage nero mheshimiwa tumanyete orendire bati ko 1992 bagoja kwandamana baguwa ekerane nete bati yega nande ngayirende abantu bande bagoje kubera gatige yabaso agati chimbongi chiko chikobonga bami debito byo mugaga kirisi bichage
tikato yo minto kirisi bichage change ata nyore bintu mune bya baminto batabiri goro ye chipasel muna bana kurumenyi nguga iko mwana na roro kolete umanya gitari akarangeriwa lakini paka bana ngege ako bangeti ingali rubeli ali karangeri ngeli yangeti ngairi yangeti
ite pati dole dia ndana upendeleo pati ya soka ya munde tiketi ya bantu batagete ko stari pati ndegete mundu ndo wana nyito za mundu wana benga yabe kwa na propaganda abange na bodo gotike pati
Gingo ripoti ya egetaseni kia Ndizi TV elietaliane Mildred Momanyi.
Biamuno omurikeito Mildred Momanyi hasorobotirwa senchira yoboikiranu bono gotigara boigasamangana rengete na siasa imeje county ya Nyamira ekiama kia UPA United Progressive Alliance ekigekoragwa no mugavana bwe county ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo nigoba kurumoje gabo bwamo asoko bwatana elikone kibuna nkoliga bari chikura chinyinga sobo choryo bonene nakora ekiame kyo ase county ya Nyamira kobwatana amo nomo konyo ye James Gesami nigobate babune kiama nigoba chikone kinkonyara bari chikura chinyinga sense meyo na koirobura ibo governor ase county ya Nyamira abwatani be kiame kibo igoni goba ikirana somo sangrekano yo ase bate abago chikumubwatsia omugavana bwe county ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo amono mokonyo ye asobo chori bonene buri busyo.
It is with profound gratitude and humility that I welcome you to Nyamira County on this auspicious day as we launch the United Progressive Alliance Party. And I am very big for coming general elections. Ladies and gentlemen, Omogusi as a community, has always encouraged togetherness and unity, and for a long time tried to get an outfit that would unite us. While the significant steps made by the great men and the women who came before us might not have borne fruit, their vision remains with us. This vision will finally be achieved under the United Progressive Party.
Na boigo chinga kechi somo yogo yokolekana imeje county ya Nyamira kiame kia UPA ekiboigo mugavana we county yo agotumia soko ligekero kyobo governor anena sobo chorio bonne bule bosio nigo bate abuna UPA bono nigo chikobwati azimio la umoja asobo chorio bonne bule bosio nigo chinga kichibate abuna UPA ngati ebyama biribirense yaye azimio unenchereye moyo kumuligeria omurebwe kiama gaudi amrera Amolo Odinga chikura chinge kurwase county ya Nyamira bosio bochikoba omochori gatano bwensekero bochori bora chigokolekana omotinyo gatano na gatatu.
This journey of uniting Omogusi again 2 years ago under OPA, and the party was activated in November 2021. As the future of politics in Kenya is coalition-based, in the spirit of uniting all Kenyans, OPA is under Azimio la Umoja coalition. As the party leader, I convey my heartfelt gratitude to all of you who believe in the United Progressive Party and have their time to attend this historical event. I also want to thank the senior partners like CS Matiami and the leaders of this party in Nairobi and at the local level who are determined that we must make UPA a national party for all Kenyans.
Na gutigana na mangana siasa toligereria ngo ensembe no director utenete kembe kemo ekioge koligeria mangana yendagera kemanyakante buna Consumer Grassroots Association omanyakante buna alske mtoni gobona robo semia gochechi county chonsi account anase county Nyamira na Buigone county ya Kisii kone kumna nkobekere merobiri sene aseganga yoko gachendagera elikonyara ko yutumia shinga kichomora negate yabuna orogongo rwa gusini gorobwente kwerubire boikirano nakone kuna babugate ndagere saine kirengaki
one serikali buna aba Kenya mbabugate right ya konyore ndagera mbabugate right yo kutabanenchara na ende no gusaba gwitonga egente kiganke baise ko bakeko chanda ba Kenya ese ngenjo ngantu bugate resources kisaine kyo gweshwa muna ba Kenya mbabwati nchara boni ganko genda gukwanera se county kiri kiagusi account yeto ya Nyamira account yeto ya Gusi manyamu na ba ise itoto ko yaruka kanani ase kindagira kituka abantu bane asense ya Kenya tibabugati ndagira mune yeto bugate county kito kiagusi ige kororekananga egente kebesana ekero konyoranga abantu gusi nkurira bale ndagira boniga umuntu abugate kingeni lakini tabugati bosi umuntu abugate kingende lakini tabugati bituma ago kigosi anyore ndagira anyorobo kimanya ali ne kingende gose ne kingeni ekyo no saba kuanenga ekiage kiagusi gusi account ya Gusi account ya Nyamira ebyage byito inkige kogera lito bwate chindagera account government etari kogenda yagore ndagere yigakorwase abalemi yabeka se byage byito ekero tubwate nchara abantu baito bagenda bagora koru ase byage byito elibanyale ko bagokonyeka no ndetere gorogoro yemo ondetere umutuliro yomo chimetolire togo
na boigo korigeria mangana asensemo ya siasa yo korigia kero kyo MC yo korwa se wodi ya Masimba boss Mairura ni gobona bolia watani we kyama kya UDA konyara weso kya sobungeli tukoliankyo aseganga yogo chia gochora barai bare ochukirukya ebandera ye kyama kya UDA asobo choryo bonene buri bosio
Kenya barosire ne serikali yerororo tiga baremereri betweko muzigo yo banyotore 39 omutini 8 amangana ye budget mwiweto manno itonatebete na teri wetu wa parliament ge wetu wa twalire irabune next government ya UDA tutapindue hiyo budget tuweke budget ambayo inaangalia mazilahi ya mwananchi.
Mairabo igoni government tribuna ba Kenya bangeni go bagenrete go chandika kubwatekana no gokina kwa mogolije bintu nigatebere buna sama tukama keniga ba Kenya bago chigo etra makongu asogo kina we budget na sebintu byengencho gokini wa magoli igatebere buna ekyama kya UDA gisego so sobura ya nasobo chorio bone buri bosio bachikolige libunu mwananchi bokonyara wanse ngochiare okonyaka
tali UDA tali ODM omurayo UDA no mungao omurayo ODM no mungao ntu na UDA tubwata abantu abange okoba turi democratic ningegenete na omurayo ito the next president William Ruto orure stand directives na nomination ya wakorwa ebwatiri chiko ebwati democracy na ande ebwati umwaruvu yomuntu oinero ko ticket ekera omoneno itonatagete ababuye abange imeye county assembly imeyobo chumbe nabagaba nabangazense nebirogo binde byonse biri goje kurwaneru umutini onana akora mwara ODM ya nomination chinze amachinde che county ya Kisii abantu ba UDM bagiye tiko bachegia ekingo sabali baminda bapinzani ba ODM bato yali baga on Thursday abantu bayito bachore umwe abantu babo bali baje kopepurusha bendera ya UDA ase nomination yo takoba
Na ayo ni gago cha kero kerie kiama kia UDA kirobete gochi okorobo choli bwaye bwaimeli tukoria nkyo stariki 14 omutinyo yego kano mwako yego buchiri bubere na merongebere nebere kolengana nobote ndibwe kiama kia UDA ni gobatera buna oboche uri obuni goboche okorwa chi county emeronge 35 na mochioka maage chi county chinde koigwana na goetia bali bagochi akorwanira ebirugo agwetera se kiama kia UDA ligo chinga kiechi batebere buna ebituo chiri bu 15 na bigo chugotumeka aso waka chikura sobo choli weme gosi nomination sase kiama kia UDA ritukoryankyo na boni gobatera buna obocholi obo igobochi ko basenchera yo bwasyo lino bwasyo kuno muri keito Petronira Mokeira agotumanya
Amokonyi bw'omurai bwense William Ruto nigatebire buna obocholi oboke gose nomination bwe kiama gya UDA nigo bogochikokorekana ankyo buna ebangire nigateba buna ebinto byonsi biganeirie ase obocholi obwo nigo byatumirwe ase ebituo byonsi byogwakerekura.
I have undertaken that as the party leader I will go out of my way to sensitize the membership of the United Democratic Alliance Party across the country in ensuring that our party conducts itself in a way that is peaceful and to avoid any manner of conflict.
Ruto ninga menta goteba buna nigo obocholi obubogo chikokorekana ase nchera yobwene nobwasioku ase ababwatani bonsi bekiame ekyo baboliwe gwesokia nakoene kyang'ango bachora bali barachikoirurukia ebendera yekiama kya UDA abwase Ruto atebire buna nachigwanchirana n'amachibu yobocholi obwo.
I will respect the outcome of the election, and whichever way this election goes, I will respect the outcome and the verdict of the people of Kenya so that we can have a peaceful country going forward. I ask all the candidates participating in the nominations tomorrow to be democratic and also respect the outcome of the nominations tomorrow so that we can have a peaceful party, we can have peaceful primaries, and we can all go into the general election in a peaceful manner.
Niga ya kwa naye akorwa senga ya ime ya Karen ime yomochio Nairobi chinga kia umirana ne kiombe kia bangi na Women Mediation Network abwase bamuboli ya Ruto komochoro omokonyo ekoba omongina na koena kia buna obocholi bwa ankiongo kore kabore aso bwene botaliko unerelia abangina.
They are saying they want a Kamala Harris situation in this country. We are requesting, we are actually demanding politely that running mates should be women. Women are formidable in this country. We are the mothers of this country. We are the nurses of this country. And we need to be at the table with everyone else.
You, as the leader of UDA, has committed to a peaceful election now up to the end.
Petronira Mokeira, Ndizi TV.
Biyamono omurikito Petronira Mokeira sorobochirwa senchira yobo ikiranu bono kumurikira manganande toligerelia ngona ki omokonyo oseoyore omurai bwabakase bunge John Mbadi igarokane komochi omokonyo omurai wense William Ruto asichinkwana chaye Ruto aganda tokwanira igoro ye budget ya somono mwaziri wechibese kuri ya tani wiki ya eta kolengana na Mbadi nigagote ya buna Ruto tigatige ko chicheria mangane budget asekiria tebire buna tabwente kwanira mangana ya uchumi asekirenga buna Ruto berega goikirana asemeyega airengete uchumi yense atana kwimukiga tambukero kende gyonse Mbadi boygoni gatebire buna aso mwaka bwechiri bubere nice 13 nigo Ruto anyarateka wanchira no gote we ebango ya VAT asobe gatebire nsemo yoboli mya sense ya Kenya nige kora wana bwatani bali bakwa Ruto koboko nigamu mochiri nagote buna tabwana itego sonana na wakera siasa amangane budget maiga yogo somwa ekiaita.
We have been treated to what I would call some political rhetorics, what I would call political conmanship, dishonest statements coming from the Deputy President, William Ruto. I call it dishonest and distortion, because Ruto knows very well that even finance bill remains a bill which must be processed through the National Assembly. From 2013, when he became the Deputy President of Kenya, almost every finance bill has attempted to introduce value-added tax on certain basic commodities which are not vatable. At least this financial year, the number of those essential commodities that the ministry is proposing to subject to VAT are fewer. In fact, apart from Munga, I would say there is nothing. In 2014, Kenyans saw what we call a repeal of the VAT Act, an overhaul of the VAT Act. For the first time and the last time was done in 2014. And with the Jubilee tyranny of numbers, all basic commodity prices was passed with the tyranny of numbers. Ruto attended the cabinet which approved the bill. Ruto pushed through the members in the National Assembly to pass the VAT to be levied on all basic commodities.
Na boigo abakagirwa 15 gati ya 15 babere au babe kubyara enga kiazimia lo moja bairete kampeni cha base county ya Wazinigishu na gosaganwa nigo 15 uba bako igorwa litukolia lero babere nigo batigerete asege subo maega yobo sahiti wense moye 15 boko baragento ke rabarabu ko igorwa babere barabu nigo bagendrete gotangwe kare kuri butukwe ime bogendrete kolengana no muna chiebi no muna kurwa seke gambero ke Doret Emily Kigeni ni gatebere buna babera abuni ko bakoendra gotangwa agoika obosaiti ime bwanyarre bo koligererwa gosengo igorru barama mocho gose nigo bagochia koigorerwa. Na umunyakirobo bwe kiama kia Wiper kolwa ase kaunti ya Mombasa Sheikh Omar negate bire buna barabu ne kiama ase kaunti ya Mombasa ni gobanyoreri uko no wancherwa koyo yakabero mu governor bwe kaunti ya Nairobi Mike Mbuvi Songo ochi koligia ekero kyobo governor gwetera ase kiama kia Wiper ase kaunti ya Mombasa kolengana no munyakirobo bwe kiama kia Wiper ni gate bire buna gokeraboni gabarwanirire beso kiri koligia ekero kyobo governor imeye kaunti ya Mombasa weterase kiama kia Wiper ni gobara abarwanire babere gati yabo no mubunge okisauni hali mbogo ose ari mboko oyo bagendrete kurwananere omo governor so yo kabiro mu governor we county ya Nairobi Mike Mbuvi Songo ni gata biro kiraboni ga kiama kia Wiper inkararwa ticket gochia sonde bwense na ni gochi okorobo choli waime elikonyara gweti gati ya Mike Mbuvi Songo no mubunge okisauni omanyakante buna ali mbogo ni gogochi kwa ticket ya Wiper aso kuliye kero kyobo governor se county yo na bo munyakero bo yo we county ya Mombasa ni gabodri Songo na mbogo ko isaransa na gokwana abaigwane ni ngogo chigwanchiro ko irukia ebandera ya Wiper onyamba go chikoigwana igo chiko beterelia bagendo bo choli boime eligo etiyo go chiko irukia ebandera ya Wiper ase county ya Mombasa se kerogo kyobo governor
maofisi ofisi twatambua tumempokea mheshimiwa Mike Mbuvi Sonko kama aspirant wa governor Mombasa County, na hiyo ni demokrasia na ni haki yake. Mkenya mahali kokote anaweza kwenda mahali kokote kusimama. Before Sonko kuja, kwanza tulikuwa na mheshimiwa Ali Menzambogo, ndio ilikuwa mmoja peke yake na akapewa interim certificate, sio certificate. Wiper haija issue certificate kwa mtu yoyote. Hata mahali kuna one candidate, Wiper bado haijatoa. Siku itatoa certificate ni wakati mchujo umeisha. Kama sasa tuko mahali tunafanya mchujo. Hawa aspirant wote wale wamepita na wale ambao wako direct ambao hawajapita, ambao hawajaenda mchujo watapewa certificate Nairobi siku moja ambayo itakuwa ni function hiyo itafanyika. Kwa hivyo Sonko paka sahihi kimimi hana direct certificate. Wala Alimbogo hana direct certificate. Alikuwa ni yeye kwanza ndo akapewa interim. Lakini Sonko ni mwanachama, akaamua, kumbe alisubmit makaratasi yake kwa IEBC. Lakini akawa hajatoa kauli yake kwamba anataka ugavana. So ikaja wakati ameamua anataka ugavana. So tukaamua sisi kama Wiper aendelee. Kwa hivyo njia moja ya wao ima ni wataenda mchujo ama tutafanya consensus wakubaliane. Mimi ombi langu ni Sonko na Mbogo wakae mahali pamoja, waamue wafanye kazi pamoja, mtu na running mate wake, ili tumalize hili tatizo la Mombasa na
na tukurwa senseme yu ya siasa tiyo tumulikirango amangana ye chisemi muwaziri wo chisemi Professor George Magoha igatebere buna insechi wiki bergo seji skuru sirachi koigurwa amate muamane na KCSE ni gago chikorali kwa bene nego chinga kechi anyara kubori ya baiboli na boigo kubwatira namo na borokia wa bali bakora amate mwa KCSE bero bili asogo chikogendera na mate mose ko chikogendera na masomo abo nabo ni gatebere buna sense moye chisemi nigo bagendrete kone kibuna amasomo nkunyara gukina kurwa sekerange kemugochia sekende nigo chenga kechanyara kubolia abana bali bagochigosoa sekrase yakenda go se form 1 maiga ya maruba keragendrete gotuma chiskuru kone kibuna nkunyara baragosoa chiskuru chiria bakorangaligwa nigo boigabolia baiboli kubwaterana amona abana bo asoko bere chiskuru komocha konde otayo
as little work as possible. And with politics aside, the person will find that the examinations are actually now almost being printed to be ready for December, so our children don't have to worry. Even if there is a repeat election, and that election can take place at the same time as exams, the public should not worry, because everything has been done. You have seen that the government of His Excellency has already passed a budget which gives the Kenya National Examination Council 5 billion shillings to ensure that all the exams, including the 3 remaining ones for this year, including the assessments, are given. So we can play politics and also make sure that as we play politics, our children are going to school and to ensure that they are not affected. In terms of making sure that the teachers are trained, I've already said that the teachers for grade 6, which is starting next month, have been trained in adequate numbers, and they are ready and willing to go. And I want to salute our teachers for their selflessness and professionalism.
Onchumuligiria nyoronsia nigogende tukanyara gwetira Ndizi TV hubwansu bumugusi ngoikirabo no ngoikiro mwali wa mangana maya asinchira yobaikira nuenseyemo yabono margoba ayo amona enda mange chikoraga chinse isatono chukomera na John Kibati achikogo sansamuranira abuna botambe asinchira yeli bwagenda gotubwatu gwetira sensemo yeti mtandao ensemo ya Facebook tunyara buna Ndizi TV News nabaigensemeli ya YouTube nabo tunyara buna Ndizi TV News gandra gotengera imerobeliyo kubwati tiganya kiro musumali gabu tomera nankyo na inde ireterana nchi nkuru kwa Vincent Onyancha.